Hi guys, it's Jordan and I am recording to you live from my lovely couch today with my brand new coffee table from IKEA that is already dusty. Well, hi Bear. Hi Bear. Oh buddy, oh buddy. All right, get down, sir. I am excited to be recording this video today because I just finished up editing all of my travel vlogs from Napa, and lo and behold, we just got our first food club shipment. So I'm really excited to open this for you guys today. I actually haven't even opened it yet. It is still sealed, so it's a complete surprise and mystery what could be in this box. Hi, buddy. So before I open this box, I just wanted to take a minute and go back over what this is, just in case any of you didn't get a chance to see my Napa Valley vlog. So if you do want to go check that out, it's going to be the Napa Valley Day 2 vlog when we go to Round Pond Estate. So while we were there, in addition to tasting some really delicious wine, we also had a food tasting. So they have an olive mill on site, and they make their own olive oils, and they also do a variety of other products as well. So we decided that while we love wine, we do cook pretty much every day, and we thought the olive oil was very good there and learned how to do a tasting and all kinds of crazy cool stuff. And the best part about this is that their food club is actually cheaper than their wine club. So each winery typically does their own wine club, and this is a shipment of about, $200 worth of wine quarterly. I would say that's about the average for most places. So each winery in Napa offered their own wine club. But this was the only place that we went to that offered their own food club. So this was called their Food Lovers Club. They estimated that each box would be worth about $100 per shipment, and they told us that we will receive shipments quarterly. So, and since we visited them in January, they told us that our first box would be arriving sometime in February, and here it is. So I'm really excited to be opening this today. We do cook with olive oil pretty much anytime we cook. We try to use olive oil instead of using things like butter or other fats and things like that to saute vegetables, or even use it with meats as well. So this is definitely going to be something that we use all the time. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. Whoops. I'm just so graceful. I accidentally sliced through the envelope, so it was just sitting right on top, and I cut through it with my scissors. Whoops. We got a nice little note. Let's just see what this says. Round Pond Estate. Dear friends, we are proud to share that 2018 marked our 40th anniversary of grape growing in Napa Valley. It was 1978 when our father, Bob McConnell, began growing some of the finest wine grapes in Napa Valley's acclaimed Rutherford region. Our goal is simple. By remaining true to time-honored traditions, we strive to bring you the best that Napa Valley has to offer. Cool. Signed by some official-looking people. And then let's see what we've got here. Looks like recipes. Oh, nice. They've got pictures on the back of them. So that's cool. We've got a recipe for lamb and feta meatballs. That sounds yummy. And it looks like, okay, they do incorporate some of their own products into the recipe. So we'll have to check that out in a minute. Oh, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Brassica salad. That's interesting. Warm sunchoke in Brussels sprout salad. There's no way I'm going to get Craig to eat that one, but maybe I can have some friends over and we can try it out anyway. Okay, so they send us, looks like 3 recipes, and then they've also got a list of their 2019 estate events, which we've learned that as members of their club we are invited to. However, it's all the way across the country, so unless something really big is happening, I unfortunately don't know how many events that we'll be able to attend, but it's always good to know that we can visit them if we want to. So something cool about being members of a club at Round Pond Estate is that they told us we get 6 free visits to their estate for tastings and tours each year. So kind of like I said, since we're not in the region very often, if you find that you're going to be going to Napa, definitely reach out to me and I can gift you one of my visits. So that way you can go enjoy their delicious wines and olive oils as well. So let's see what's in the box. I'm excited. Another little booklet. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, and it's got this fancy little, oh, it's a pocket. It's not a fold-out thing. Interesting. I wonder, what could you possibly need a tiny pocket like this for? It's questionable. Interesting. Talks about all of their offerings at Round Pond Estate. Fancy. Let's dig in. All right, so item number 1 is something that looks familiar to me. Oh wow, this is cold. It was a cold shipping day apparently. This is their Round Pond Estate Italian Varietal Extra Virgin Olive Oil. So this is actually something that we purchased while we were visiting Round Pond Estate just because it's such a classic olive oil. This is their signature varietal, and I would say it's probably their staple cooking ingredient when it comes to a lot of the recipes that they make on site over at Round Pond. All right, let's see what is next. A Rutherford red wine vinegar Merlot Cabernet blend. Very nice. I do have a couple recipes that I do use red wine vinegar for. I've got a nice balsamic chicken that calls for red wine vinegar, although it's a Merlot Cabernet blend, so I might have to check into seeing maybe there's some pastas that I can use this for, something with steak, something, you know, because Cabernets typically go really nicely with steak. So that'll be interesting. Wow, these bottles are so cold. All right, so next we have their lemon pepper olive oil. Our quality ingredients include extra virgin olive oil and natural lemon pepper and black pepper extracts. So I'm excited to see something with lemon in here. I was really hoping for their Meyer lemon olive oil. We tasted that while we were there, and we actually, when we toured the grounds, we checked out their garden and they had the Meyer lemon trees next to it. And oh my gosh, it was the best smelling thing I have smelled recently. I'm not going to say ever because there are several things that I really love the smell of, but both me and Craig were like, what is that delicious fragrance? And she's like, it's the Meyer lemon tree. So we're actually planning on planting a garden, like a raised garden bed, and doing some landscaping over the summer at our house. So I am gunning for a Meyer lemon tree. We've got to have one of those just for the smells, if not for the cooking, like just for the smells. So, but this will be really nice. I think I can make some really good hummus from this. So hummus is pretty much my daily snack. I love it. It's full of protein and it's good for you. So I will definitely have to be making some homemade hummus for us. So finally, we've got basil olive oil. So this is going to be really nice for some pasta dishes, I think, or if we're making like caprese salad or bruschetta. And by we making this, I mean I make it for myself because Craig doesn't like tomatoes. All right, so I think that is all of my goodies in this box. My box is empty. So I will be putting these in my pantry and doing some research to see how we can start incorporating these into our daily cooking. Where are you going? This is my dog, Sun Bear. He is a good boy. And then I have 2 black cats roaming around, so oh, bud. So I'm really excited about all of these full-size products that we got from them. We got the receipt for this somewhere. I feel like I saw it somewhere. Anyway, they had estimated to us when we signed up that each box was going to be worth about $100, and we saw the total on this one, including shipping, was $86, and that is for all 4 products, plus the recipes, plus the shipping. So I feel pretty good about this. I mean, it's nice to treat yourself every now and then, and food is something to be enjoyed, in my opinion. So I really think this is going to enhance our at-home cooking experience, and maybe we won't have to go out to fancy restaurants, you know, every so often. Well, we'll still go to fancy restaurants every so often. Who are we kidding? but you don't have to get to a fancy restaurant to get the good quality taste that you're looking for. So anyway, I'm really excited to try out these new products, and I think someone's antsy for his daily walk, so we are going to get going there. But thanks again for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you next week. So until then, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.